In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive posts from Substack app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you had added any post to archive and you wish to remove it, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead, log into your Substack account, and once you are logged in, head over to your profile icon here. Then head over to archive to access all the archived posts. And as you can see, I have quite a number of them here. So I want to unarchive this post. So I'll go ahead and just tap on the post that I wish to unarchive and then tap on these three lines. And we have an option to unarchive here. If I tap on unarchive, now you can see the post has been removed from archive. I can further go ahead and identify another post, for instance this one, and also do the same. I'll unarchive it by tapping on unarchive. So that's how you can unarchive posts on Substack app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.